Are you thinking about buying a home in Florida, but you're worried you don't have a huge down payment or perfect credit? You might be surprised to learn that an FHA loan could help you become a homeowner much sooner than you think. Hi, I'm Tom Gibbons, mortgage loan officer with PRMG, helping buyers throughout Florida navigate the mortgage process with confidence. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about FHA loans in Florida, who they work best for, and some common misconceptions that could be holding you back from buying a home. So let's get started. What is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a mortgage that's insured by the Federal Housing Administration. These loans were designed to help make homeownership more accessible, especially for first-time buyers and borrowers who may not qualify for conventional financing. The biggest advantages: lower down payment requirements, more flexible credit guidelines, higher debt to income allowances in many cases, and gift funds allowed for your down payment and closing costs. And contrary to popular belief, you do not have to be a first-time home buyer to use an FHA loan. So how much do you need for a down payment when getting an FHA loan? One of the biggest reasons buyers choose FHA financing is that you may be able to purchase a home with as little as 3.5% down. On a $400,000 home, that's just $14,000 down instead of a much larger down payment many people assume is required. And in some situations, there may even be down payment assistance programs available to help qualified buyers. So what credit score do you need for an FHA loan? Well, every lender has its own guidelines. FHA loans generally offer more flexibility than conventional financing. Many buyers believe they need a credit score in the high 700s to buy a home, but that's simply not true. At PRMG, we allow for a 580 credit score. If you've had credit challenges in the past, an FHA loan could still be an option worth exploring. FHA financing often becomes an excellent entry point into homeownership. I work with many buyers who initially think they're a year or two away from purchasing a home, only to discover they already qualify today. So, what are the downsides to an FHA loan? I always believe in having honest conversations with my clients. FHA loans do come with mortgage insurance, and in many cases, that mortgage insurance remains for the life of the loan unless you refinance into another program later. Depending on your financial profile, a conventional loan may ultimately be better long term. That's why the right question isn't, should I get an FHA loan? The better question is, which loan program puts me in the strongest financial position? The answer is different for every buyer. My advice to Florida home buyers: don't disqualify yourself. I can't tell you how many conversations start with, I don't think I'm ready. Then after reviewing their situation, we discover they're much closer to buying than they realized. Whether you're looking in Bradenton, Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, Tampa, Palmetto, or anywhere else in the Sunshine State, having a strategy and understanding your options can make all the difference. If you're thinking about buying a home in Florida and want to know whether an FHA loan, conventional loan, or another program makes the most sense for you, I'd be happy to help. I'm Tom Gibbons, mortgage loan officer with PRMG, helping buyers throughout Florida make smart mortgage decisions. And remember, the first step isn't finding the house. It's understanding your financing options so you can buy with confidence. I'm Tom Gibbons, and I'll see you on the next one.